In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products on HubSpot and workflow automation. First, sign into your HubSpot account and head to the main home dashboard. From there, open the CRM section and click on Deals. This is where your pipeline lives, and it's the best place to connect products to real opportunities so forecasting, quotes, and reporting all stay accurate. Next, choose an existing deal. We're using an existing deal because it already has the company and contact associations you need, plus a defined stage and owner. That context matters when you want automation to run reliably. Working off a real deal also prevents you from creating orphaned data that won't roll up into your pipeline metrics. If you're just testing, feel free to pick a sample or sandbox deal so you don't impact live revenue numbers. Inside the deal record, find the line items section and click Add. Line items are the products or services tied to this deal. They power your total amount, feed quotes, support revenue reports, and importantly, can be used as conditions in automation. By managing line items here, you ensure consistency across sales, ops, and finance. Choose Select from Product Library. Using the product library keeps your pricing, SKUs, descriptions, billing terms, and tax settings standardized. It also speeds up quoting and reduces manual errors. If your library is organized with folders or filters, use those to quickly find what you need. Pick an existing product from the library and click Add. At this point, you can review details such as quantity, term, or billing frequency, if applicable. Now edit the unit price to 0. Setting the price to 0 is helpful when you want to attach a product to trigger operations like provisioning, onboarding, or approvals, without affecting revenue totals. It's also useful for included services, trials, or internal handoffs, where you still want a product labeled on the deal but don't want to double count or inflate your forecast. You can always update the price later if the item becomes billable. Click Save to commit the line item to the deal. Your deal total will refresh, and the product is now formally associated. From here, you can configure automation as a deal-based workflow. Create a workflow that enrolls deals when a specific line item is present, when a deal enters a certain stage with that product, or when a property-like amount or close date changes. Common actions include sending internal notifications, creating tasks for fulfillment, updating lifecycle or deal properties, moving the deal to the next stage, or syncing data to another system. Always test with a sample deal, confirm enrollment criteria, and review re-enrollment settings before turning it on. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.